So hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Hope you all are doing good and are safe. And for those of you all who are seeing this face for the very first time, hi, I am Prakriti. And if you are not subscribed to my channel, please do consider subscribing. So yes, for today's video, I am back with yet another very interesting video. Like in the past couple of months, I have purchased a lot of lipsticks. Like I'll show you. So these many lipsticks I had purchased, and मैंने इसका कोई भी review या swatch video नहीं किया था. So I thought let me just share it with you all. So for shade reference, I use Maybelline's Poreless Plus Matte Foundation in the shade 230 Natural Buff. So if you are near about that, you will definitely get some idea कि कैसा लगेगा lip shade. And I have a fair share of shade mix, like इसमें bright pinks भी हैं, browns भी हैं, mauve dark shades भी हैं कुछ. So yes, accordingly you can use it. And also very soon I'll be making another video wherein I'll be showing you nude natural looking shades for college and office going people. So yes, stay tuned for that. And without making this intro any further longer, let's just hop straight into the video. So yes, for the first lipstick I have this shade from Rene, and this is how the tube looks like. And ये एक transparent tube है जिसमें shade easily visible है, तो कोई भी confusion नहीं होगा कि कौन सा shade है इसमें. And as far as I know, Rene Cosmetics is a brand owned by Ashka Guradia, जो कि एक TV actress है. And yeah, this is my first purchase from them, and I definitely like this one. So this is in the shade Desire for Brown, यहाँ पे mentioned है. It's a very pretty muted pink brownish tone sort of a color, like pink की तरफ ज़्यादा tending है, but nonetheless it's a very pretty shade. The formula is very comfortable, like मुझे लगा नहीं था इतना ज़्यादा comfortable होगा, and it's very apt for college going or office going girls. ये कुछ around 500 something आता है. Like Amazon पे तो offers रहते ही हैं. I purchased it from there only. Flipkart पे भी I guess available है रहने, so you can check जहाँ पे भी आपको थोड़ा सा सस्ता मिल जाए. You can definitely purchase from there. I like the packaging, and इस पे जो quirky सा font में लिखा हुआ है stay with me. I definitely enjoy such sort of small detailings. So next again I have a very beautiful shade from the brand Mama Earth, and this is how it comes in a retractable sort of a crayon thing. So this is how the product looks like. इतना product आपको मिलेगा lipstick में, and I definitely like इसका formula भी. This is in the shade 09 Espresso Brown, and this is how it looks. It has avocado and vitamin C, so it has skincare benefits as well. So this one sits on your lips very comfortably. Like initially थोड़ा सा transfer होता है, but once it's settled in, so ये completely transfer proof बन जाता है. Stay भी ठीक ठाक है इसका, and I enjoy इसका जो shade है. So this one is sort of exact MLBB shade for me, like my lips, but a better kind of a version. So yes, I definitely enjoyed this shade, and इसकी भी packaging काफी sturdy है. You can easily carry it in your bags. ये open नहीं होगी. Once it's closed, it's closed. Next is the shade from Plum, and this is how the outer covering looks like. ये एक black cardboard packaging में आती है जिसमें white से Plum and the other details are mentioned. And you must be already knowing कि Plum मुझे कितना ज़्यादा पसंद है. It's 100% vegan. It's non-toxic and cruelty-free. Everything is mentioned on the cardboard packaging. And once you open this, you get this container. This again is a transparent bottle with a black cap. And इस पे ऐसे you can see detailing जो hearts बने हुए. It's like so cute. मुझे ये बहुत ज़्यादा पसंद आया. And this one is in the shade Watermelon Sugar. It's a bright poppy pink. So this you can definitely use. अगर आप नॉर्मली पॉप ऑफ कलर चाहते हो तो आप यूज कर ही सकते हो, बट येस पार्टी वेयर शेड ये काफी ज्यादा अच्छा है. सो दिस इज हाउ द बॉन्ड ऑफ इट लुक्स लाइक. काफी ज्यादा परफेक्टली फिट हो जाता है लिप्स पे आपके. सो इफ यू हैव स्मॉल लिप्स ऑल्सो दिस वुड लाइक फिट इन वेरी वेल. द फॉर्मूला इज अगेन वेरी कंफर्टेबल, बट येस आई वुड सजेस्ट लिक्विड लिपस्टिक्स कोई भी हो, लाइक कितना भी ज्यादा कंफर्टेबल फॉर्मूला हो. आई लाइक पर्सनली प्रेफर लाइक अप्लाइंग अ लिप बाम फर्स्ट, and then on top of that I apply any liquid lipstick. So firstly it makes the lipstick glide on smoothly. And matte lipsticks क्या होता है, अगर आपके cracked lips हैं और दिख रहा है अगर, तो it easily settles into that and it looks horrible. So this particular shade I got from the brand in a collab. तो मुझे somewhat के similar लगता है Sugar का. I have the Tan Fam shade, if I'm not wrong 03 है उसका code. So it is very much similar to that, but Sugar का formula थोड़ा सा drying है, but this one is like rather comfortable उसके comparison में. But as it's a liquid lipstick, so you already know थोड़ा सा वो dry out होता ही है, but yes, the shade is absolutely stunning. Next is a very affordable brand, and it's a very affordable lipstick. So this is from the brand NY Bay, and this is how the packaging looks like. It's a very beautiful like shiny holographic sort of packaging जो कि silver है, and NY Bay is a very affordable brand. Like if you're a college going student and you're not able to like purchase fancy stuffs and our pocket money जैसे हम भी save करते थे and then we used to purchase, so you can definitely get some products from NY Bay, Inside, Swiss Beauty, Mars. They have really amazing products at a very 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 affordable price. So yeah, this is in the shade Mugs and Hugs 1-2, that is 12. So this is how the shade name is mentioned, and it's a very, again, a very beautiful brown sort of a shade, mauvish brown sort of a shade, and this is how the packaging looks like. ये भी transparent bottle है with the silver cap in it, like matching the cardboard, outer cardboard packaging. So that's like really 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 good. For the amount we pay, it's like a very beautiful and sturdy packaging. So this retails for 260 rupees, but ये आपको easily like 40 to 30% ऑफ पे आराम से मिलेगी है. लाइक मैंने ये 150 या मे बी 175 के अराउंड ली थी. सो इट्स लाइक वेरी अफोर्डेबल. ये आपको पर्पल पे मिल जाएगा, एंड इफ आई एम नॉट रॉन्ग ये अमेजोन पे भी मिलती है. सो यू कैन चेक दैट अकॉर्डिंगली. वेरी ब्यूटिफुल, वेरी 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 ब्यूटिफुल शेड. दिस इज हाउ इट कम्स विद अ डो फुट एप्लीकेटर, लाइक नॉर्मल जैसा आता है डो फुट एप्लीकेटर, बट येस द एप्लीकेटर इज वेरी स्मॉल. सो इवन इफ यू हैव द टाइनीएस्ट ऑफ लिप्स आउट देयर, सो इट कैन like easily fill it in and बहुत ही अच्छे से लिपस्टिक लग जाएगी. So you can flaunt this easily college में भी and in offices also. Like अगर आपको ऐसा चाहिए कि कुछ लगा भी हो लिप्स पे बट पता भी ना लगे, so this is that shade out there, and ये भी काफी ज्यादा कंफर्टेबल है. Like if you have used that Blue Heaven liquid lipstick, so उसका जो airy and एकदम water like formula जैसा है, like वैसा ही almost near about इसका भी formula है. So that's like very good, does not feel heavy on your lips, and I absolutely love this one. So making a lipstick video without My Glams lipstick, तो वो incomplete होगा मेरे लिए, because I personally own a lot of My Glam lipsticks. Like मैंने एक dedicated video भी बनाया. I'll just pop it here so you can definitely see the swatches. So ये मेरा latest edition है. So this is how the packaging looks like, the normal packaging जैसी आती है. And this is in the shade LM24 Micro Cheating, and this is how it looks. So this is a very beautiful brown shade which has hints of olive undertone, which looks very 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 good. Like I have a warm undertone, तो मुझे लगा नहीं था ये मेरे पे इतना अच्छा जाएगा. Though I wanted a cool tone sort of a brown color, but मुझे ये दिख गया and I definitely wanted to try this. So this is how the tube looks like. Very 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 beautiful color. And let me show you इसका doe foot. इसका doe foot is like a flat doe foot applicator. So this is how it looks. Like it has a one swipe pigmentation, काफी ज़्यादा amazing, and it has moringa oil also, so it like hydrates your lips. Like they have increased their shade range and काफी ज़्यादा amazing colors आ चुके हैं. So you can definitely give this one a shot. So the darkest lip shade of this haul is from this brand Miss Claire, and this is how the outer packaging looks like. Again, it's a very shiny holographic packaging. This is in the shade 10, that is this, and it is, I suppose, color coordinated because the bottle has this shade only. So this is how the inner packaging looks like. Very premium and very good. Like Miss Claire के soft matte lip creams I used to use back in my like college or school, like later school days also. Those were very affordable, like under 200 we used to get it, but this one is their premium range, I suppose. This one retails for, again it's very affordable, it retails for 395 only, but according to that it's like pricier. So yes, I definitely like this one. You can see how the packaging looks like. So luxe rose gold packaging है इसकी, that like attracts me the most. Rose gold makes a product look very premium. So it has a tilted applicator, as you can see. थोड़ा सा tilt है applicator में ताकि application easy हो जाए, and you will be very surprised. It's a dupe for a MAC liquid lipstick, and I have already filmed that video. I'll be definitely sharing it very 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 soon on Shorts and Instagram Reels as well, so you can definitely see it from there. And if you are not following me on Instagram, you are missing out on great content, so you can definitely do it from here. बहुत ही ज़्यादा pretty color है. I can't even explain this. Like आपने एक normal glitter भी लगा लिया, या कुछ भी नहीं लगाया, इवन इफ यू अप्लाई दिस शेड इन इटसेल्फ विदाउट मेकअप, इफ आई शुड से लाइक दैट, पूरा चेहरा ही चमक जाता है. सो दैट्स व्हाट आई लाइक अबाउट दिस. काफी ज्यादा अमेजिंग फॉर्मूला है इसका भी. लाइक इट्स अ लिक्विड लिपस्टिक, ड्राइज डाउन मैट, बट very 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 comfortable mousse sort of a formula it has. Like pinkish mauvish dark sort of a color which gives you that rich vibe. So lastly I have a lip shade from Mars, and this is how the lip shade looks like. Very beautiful cardboard packaging, giving that like raw sort of effect. And this is from their range matinee lipstick, and मैंने इसका crayon use किया हुआ है, and I very much like that. वो मेरा like अब तक आधा भी हो चुका है. I don't think I have shared that. I'll surely make a shorts on that as well. So I thought of trying another range from them. So this is how it looks, and it's in the shade 07 Nude Flirt. Like the pricing and everything is mentioned. ये retail करता है 299, but yes I got it for around 200 something, या like below 200 also हो सकता है, क्योंकि Amazon पे बहुत great deals आती रहती हैं. So yes, this is how the packaging looks like. Very beautiful. ये लगता है कि it will like open like this, but no, there is a catch to it. It opens like with a twist thing. So it has like, यहाँ पे आप देख रहे हो, you have the grooves. तो ये like रोटेट होके बंद होती है एंड रोटेट होके खुलती है. तो अगेन इट्स लाइक वेरी ट्रैवल फ्रेंडली. एक बार बंद कर दिया तो देयर इज नो चांस कि ये खुल जाए बिना घुमाए. सो दिस इज हाउ द लिपस्टिक लुक्स लाइक. ये नॉर्मल लिपस्टिक से काफी ज्यादा इसका अलग टिप है. नॉर्मल लिपस्टिक्स ऐसी होती हैं लाइक, इफ आई एम नॉट रॉन्ग, थोड़ा सा ट्रायंगुलर एंड होता है तो वो फिट होती है. बट दिस हैज अ वेरी यूनिक लाइक thing you can see. How should I say, it's like rectangular sort of a thing with slanty side से ऐसे दो rectangular bars भी गए हैं. तो they have like tried to make this in a very unique way which like impresses me a lot. This is how the tip looks like. बहुत ही ज़्यादा different from other lipsticks, which is like a eye catcher for the user. It's a very beautiful lightish brown sort of a color, जो कि everyday wear के लिए is very good. बिल्कुल भी like expensive नहीं है. It's very affordable also. The packaging looks प्रीमियम. सो अगर आप इसको निकालो भी कहीं बाहर लगाने के लिए, सो इट विल नॉट गिव दैट चीप फ्लिम्जी पैकेजिंग वाइब. काफी ज्यादा प्रीमियम है. एंड अगेन दिस हैज अ मूसी क्रीमी फॉर्मूला, बट वंस इट्स ड्राइड डाउन इट्स ट्रांसफर प्रूफ. लाइक इट सेटल्स इन लाइक एनीथिंग. बहुत ही ज्यादा अमेजिंग है. टचअप्स के लिए बहुत ज्यादा इजी है, क्योंकि यू कैन जस्ट टैप इट ओवर. बिल्कुल भी क्रीसिंग नहीं होती इसमें. सो येस, आई वुड सजेस्ट विदाउट एनी रिग्रेट्स यू शुड डेफिनेटली ट्राई दिस शेड आउट. सो माई पर्सनल फेवरेट्स वर दीज टू शेड्स, वन फ्रॉम द ब्रांड माई ग्लैम माइक्रो चीटिंग एंड द अदर न्यूड फ्लर्ट फ्रॉम मार्स. आई एम इनटू ब्राउन लिपस्टिक्स, तो आई एम लाइक अ बिट बायस्ड टुवर्ड्स दीज टू. बट अगर दूसरे शेड्स की बात करें तो आई डेफिनेटली लाइक दिस शेड मिस क्लेयर से, जो कि शेड है 10. I definitely very much like this shade as well, darker range में. So yes, do let me know if you have already tried इसमें से कुछ, या फिर आपको try करना and you found this video helpful. So please do let me know, and if you did, so please don't forget to like, share and subscribe to my channel, and also do share it with your friends and family. So yes, until then, take care, stay home, and I'll be back next week with yet another amazing video. Bye bye, love you all.